Hello Mathematica! In this video, I'm going to cover how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So, let's jump into our examples, starting with number 1, where we add 4 over 9 plus 1 over 3. Now, when we add fractions, we need a common denominator. In other words, the bottom numbers need to be the same in order to add. For number 1, we have a 9 and a 3. So obviously, we don't have a common denominator to start with. So we can't add. So, the first thing that we need to do is find a common denominator, and we can do that by finding the least common multiple between our denominators. You may recognize the least common multiple between denominators right away when you see the problem. But if not, you can always write out your list of multiples in order to find it. Let's write out the multiples of 9 and 3. So, I'll come to the bottom of the screen where I have some extra room to write out these lists. We'll start with 9. So, 9, the first multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36. So, I'll write 4 multiples of 9 there. I would suggest writing out 4 or 5 multiples of each. See if you have any common multiples, and if not, you can always extend your list. So, let's do 3 now, and see if we have any common multiples. 3, 6, 9. And it looks like we have a common multiple of 9. And more specifically, that's going to be the least common multiple. We always want to find the least common multiple. Smaller numbers in value are generally easier to work with, and this will help cut down on simplifying in the end. So, 9 is going to be our common denominator. Let's come back up the original problem and rename these fractions with our common denominator of 9. So underneath, I'm going to write our common denominator of 9, and now we can rename. So, we will start with 4 over 9. Well, 4 over 9 already has a denominator of 9. So, we don't need to rename. So, we can't just bring 4 down. As far as 1 over 3, we need to think 3 times what equals 9. How do we get 3 to equal 9? Well, we know 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, in order to rename, we want to have an equivalent fraction. We want to keep this equivalent. We do not want to change the value of the problem at all. So, whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So, 1 times 3 is 3. 3 over 9 is equivalent to 1 over 3. But, we have that common denominator of 9. Now, that both fractions have a common denominator, we can add. So, when we add fractions, we add the numerators. The top numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then we keep the denominator the same. So, 9. 7 over 9 is our final answer. Now, it's common practice to simplify fractional answers. So, we look to see if we can break this fraction down at all. Are there any common factors between 7 and 9 besides 1? Can we simplify? No. The only common factor between 7 and 9 is 1. So, this is in simplest form and we are done. 7/9 is our final answer. Let's try another one and move on to number 2, where we have 3/10 plus 2/6. So the first thing that we want to do, we need to find a common denominator. So let's write out the multiples of 10 and 6. We'll start with 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So we will write out 4 multiples for each. Let's do 6 now. 6, 12, 18, 24. So 4 each. And we don't have a common multiple. That's okay. We can extend our list. Now, the multiples of 10 were already at 40. And the multiples of 6 were only at 24. So, let's extend that list. So, after 24 would be 30. And now, we have a common multiple and specifically the least common multiple. So, 30 is going to be our common denominator. Let's rename our fractions with that denominator of 30. Let's start with 3/10. So we need to think, how do we get 10 to equal 30? 10 times what equals 30? Well, 10 times 3 equals 30. We know 10 times 3 equals 30. In order to keep this equivalent, whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So multiply the numerator by 3 as well. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9/30 is equivalent to 3/10. But we have that common denominator of 30. Now, we do 2/6. So we think, how do we get 6 to equal 30? 6 times what is 30? Well, 6 times 5 is 30. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. So, 2 times 5 gives us 10. 10/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Now that we found the common denominator, where renamed, we can add. So, add the numerators. 9 plus 10 is 19. Keep the denominator of 30 and our final answer is 19/30. We can check to see if we can simplify. But 19/30 is in simplest form. The only common factor between 19 and 30 is 1. So we are done. So there you have it. That's how you add fractions with unlike denominators. Find a common denominator, rename with that common denominator, add, and then look to see if you can simplify. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!